how to find and use RBC Virtual Visa Debit Card. If you're using the mobile app, open up RBC mobile app on your smartphone, log in using your online banking and credentials, navigate to your primary checking account, tap Manage Cards, then select Activate Virtual Visa Debit or View Virtual Visa Debit. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete activation. If you'd like to do it via phone, you can call 1-800-769-2511 to speak with an RBC representative. Follow the automated prompts to activate your virtual Visa Debit. To then access it, if you're using the RBC mobile app, open up RBC mobile app and navigate to your primary checking account. Tap Manage Cards and then select View Virtual Visa Debit to see your card details. If you'd like to use your virtual Visa Debit for online purchases, when prompted for payment, select Visa or Visa Debit. Enter your virtual Visa Debit card number, expiry date, and 3-digit CVV2 security code. Then provide your name and billing address as required. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.